knowledge we have gathered from our high school on algebra is simply going to be not enough to solve this equation. That is where we will need additional help, and that help will be provided by Lambert W function. Now, what this is and how it works, we will cover it while we work on the problem. So let's get on with it. We have x to the x is equal to 25. Now, the first thing that I can do is take log on both sides. After which, what we can do is write log of x to the x is equal to log of 25. Now, this can be written as x log x is equal to log 25. Yeah, now what? Now, let us do one thing. Let's say that log x is equal to a variable a. So, I'll say let a is equal to log x. And this log here is a natural log, which means it will have a base e. So, if I have to find out x, I can say that x is equal to e to the a. I have this now. Let's say this is equation 1. Now, if I substitute this value in equation 1, what do we get? Now, x is e to the a. So, e to the a, and log x is a. So, I write a here is equal to log base e 25. Okay, now what? Now, that's where our function, the Lambert W function, comes in for help. Now, what it says is, if I have a equation, right? If I have an equation just like this, and if I can write it in the form of w e to the w is equal to something, let's call that something as z. Okay, so if I have a function in this form, and if I take the w, that is the product log on both sides, I will have the w of z is equal to the same value here, which means there is w here, there is w here. So the answer is going to be w. That's what it says. All right. So now what we're going to do is see whether our function is in this form or not. See, we have converted this equation in this form, and we can see that e to the a multiplied by a is here. That is the same thing as w multiplied by e to the w, where w is equal to a in this case, right? So if this is already equal to this, means this is already in this form, then I can apply product log on both sides. So I can say applying product log on both sides. Then we'll have w and a dot e to the a is equal to w of, or product log of, log a 25. Now this can be written as a is equal to w log 25. And we can substitute the value of a here. A was simply log ex, so I will write it as log ex is equal to w log e 25, which gives us x is equal to e to the power w log e 25. And that is our answer. You can leave it here, or you can expand it further to get the answer. You can make use of product log calculator, which is available on Ultram Alpha or Desmos, and calculate the value for w log 25. And this will give us a value of x. X would be approximately equal to 2.9632. And that's the solution to this wonderful problem.